Hey. So tired. Yum, yum, yum. There's some fruits. In my last video, I did a what I eat in a day, and some of you guys were asking me to do an update on my weight gain journey. I would say from like my days in Korea till now, I gained quite a significant amount of weight, which I'm really glad. It used to be so hard for me to gain any weight, but I think now that I'm getting older, my metabolism is slowing down, so I'm able to maintain more weight. Now my health goals is to just stay active and eat more nutritious food. I have PCOS and I always feel like sometimes it's getting better, but other times it's just so bad. I've never had a full year where I've had like a regulated menstrual cycle. Like my hormones are so crazy. I actually do have to eat pretty clean. Yeah, that's kind of the path that I'm on right now, and so far I'm loving it. I never thought I would say this, but I actually do look forward to going to the gym, maybe eat out like once a week-ish, maybe twice, like on the weekends. But for the most part, all my meals are cooked at home, so I have control over like all the ingredients that I put in. I try to stay away from like sugar, but I do not restrict myself. It's just more sustainable to satisfy your cravings when you have it here and there. Just be mindful of like what kind of food you put in your body. So that is my little update.
Yeah.
I am getting ready to go to dinner. It's so hot, but I think later tonight it's actually gonna rain, so wish me luck. Hoping it doesn't ruin the Oh my god, my pants are drenched! Oh my god, hold on. I am about to paint my bedroom walls. I took a little break from doing any sort of like house renos, house decor, because let me tell you, any house sort of project is very costly. I just needed to recover from this whole thing. The first thing I want to do is work on my bedroom. I always feel like this is like the last thing that ever gets attention, but I want to make this room super cute and cozy. I plan on lime washing these walls. Now, I am not the best DIYer, but I'm gonna attempt to do this myself, and I'm gonna work on prepping this room before I do anything. This is the morning after, and this is what it looks like after the first coat. And then today I have to go in with the second one. All the little textures. For my first attempt, honestly not bad. In some parts you can notice it's like not perfect, but it's good for now. I feel like it just adds so much more warmth. Good morning, everyone. Living room is empty. Some of you guys were not a fan of the rug. My mom was not a fan of the rug, so I'm gonna move the rug upstairs. I'm gonna go to the gym real quick, and hopefully by the time I get back, the sofa will arrive. I have this insecurity with showing my legs off in public. I had no problem with it until like sometime in the middle of college. I just developed a really big insecurity, and for several years I just like did not want to wear any type of clothing that showed off my legs. I just decided while I'm on this workout streak, I'm gonna buy some new workout clothes. So yeah, I'm also just trying to work through that insecurity. Just got back from the gym, and while I wait for my sofa, I'm gonna open up my Vitsu package. Got 2 new shelves for my Vitsu system, so let's install these. I did it. Oh, this is so comfortable. Wow. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh. We are going to make some tacos on our new griddle.
Is the wine better?
These are our tacos. is what the office desks look like. I put the rug in this room, but it's so cute. This was my dream desk for so many years, but I just couldn't get myself to get it. But now that I'm in a more permanent space, I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. I'm happy.